And forex markets are also closely. Let's talk about the rupee I was referring to. Today was one of the strongest emerging market currencies. Latha is here to tell us why. Latha.
Well, the rupee has had two very strong days, rallied by 0.3% today, one of the better performing emerging market currencies, and yesterday's 0.2. So in the week, it is a 0.5% gain. If you look at the lows of, the recent lows or all-time lows, February 10th lows, 87.95. From there, it's a 1.5% gain. And of course, it's wiped out some 1.5 months of, losses. If you looked at the levels. What's gone good for the rupee is the current account data that came for February. We reported a current account surplus for the month of February itself. It's more a trade surplus, but if you add the remittances, etc., which you know are predictable numbers, we are bound to have a current account surplus for this quarter. Now, that kind of changes the attitude itself on the rupee. Now, the rupee bulls are back into their own. They're expecting a current account deficit to be as low as 0.5% of GDP in the coming year as well, because the services exports are doing so well and imports are falling, partly because of fall in crude prices. So the whole grammar in the current account has changed, and that's leading a lot of corporates to sell their long dollar positions or their short rupee positions. However, there is a goodish bit of dollar buying also. FPIs, we know that even the previous day numbers were some 4,400 crores. So that selling continues. Custodial banks tell us that there's a lot of dollar buying, but there's immense offering from the PSU banks. So it appears that corporates who have taken long dollar positions are selling. Now the mood is that rupee is seen rising to 86.50 or even 86.40 before the financial year runs out. However, there is still that hiccup of April 2nd when the reciprocal tariffs will be known. Barring that, the mood has clearly changed.
Absolutely. Radha, thank you very much for that. There's important macro context coming through as well, which stock markets will also watch closely. Now,